You gotta give me some love, nah, nah, nah. Gotta give me some love, nah, nah, nah. Let's go!
Good morning from KOH LANTA, Thailand. We've been here for 2 days now. We spent the last 2 days just chilling at the beach with my mom, getting to really relax and show her a new Thai island that we've never been to. Today we are so excited to do a 4-island boat tour. So before we go, let's tour the house a little bit because it's pretty cool.
We're about to head to the pier and go on the longtail boat for the day. But first, I want to show you Carrie, which is Anna's mom's first time trying to ride the scooter yesterday.
Look at Carrie. She's got her knee wraps. She's got her pink helmet on.
How do I do it?
Gonna be totally honest, Carrie should probably not listen to tips from us because we've fallen off a motorbike more than anyone in the world.
Nothing too crazy, nothing too crazy. All right, now slow down. There might be people coming. Left side. Look at her. Oh my God. Wait, slow down. Slow down. This is scary. Not too fast. Anna, why are you not letting your mom drive?
Because she just makes me, like, I had a heart attack.
After that, we were quite scared of her driving around the island, so she rides in the back of my scooter, so let's go. Woot woot! I never would have thought I would be driving Anna's mom on her motorbike in Thailand, but here we are. Woot woot! Woot woot! When you have an entire longtail boat to yourself for a 4-island tour here, look how massive this is.
We got our captain wearing a cowboy hat.
Our captain is about to do some crazy stuff at the front here. Look at this.
Oh! Heck yeah! Woot woot!
We have just arrived at our first island of the day. It's called High Island. The water is the emerald blue we've been looking for here. It's an overcast day, which is kind of nice because we won't get burnt, but hopefully the sun comes out in a little bit.
That's how we do it, smoking cigs. Here comes Anna and Carrie. The limestone cliffs in the background are crazy cool. That's where we're headed later.
This is just a very relaxing beach. We just went on a walk, and I think we're gonna get some coffee and some Chong beer for the rest of the day. Our captain is quite the character. He's kind of a little weird, but in the best way possible. Right now, he's using a little sailboat and putting it in the ocean.
Thing works great.
Had to pick up Chong on this island because I don't think we're gonna stop at a beach the rest of the time. Lots of snorkeling to do. These were 120 baht, so it's basically 2 beers for about $4. Not too bad.
I'm really excited for my mom to go snorkeling here. I don't think she's been snorkeling in a very long time, and definitely never on this side of the world, so she's gonna see some really cool fish for the first time.
When I'm with you, I'm in paradise. You know how to make me feel alive. Gotta give me some love now, nah. Gotta give me some love.
Now for Carrie's first snorkeling in Thailand.
Look at all the fish. Are they trying to bite you, Anna? Here we go, Carrie. Get it, get it.
All right, we're headed in with Carrie and Anna. Here we go. Woo!
What do you think, Carrie?
I think it's really nice. It's beautiful. The fish are gorgeous. It's warm. It's heaven.
We have never seen this many people in one spot. It's kind of gross. There's too many people here.
It's the reality of Thailand now.
Yeah, it's true.
The reality of it here in Thailand is that there's a ton of boat tours, but you're still able to see unreal amounts of fish, and the cliffs here are so amazing.
Captain's cutting us some pineapple with his big ass knife. Look at that. Anna loves that. My captain, oh captain. Thank you. Kapkun kap. Good. It is. Anna!
Yes!
That's how you play King of the Hill.
Big shot!
Picture! Chip! Woo!
Best snorkeling spots I've seen in Thailand so far. A lot of big, alive coral, many schools of fish, tons of anemone. There were about like hundreds of anemone on one coral reef. Favorite part is nobody is here right now. We are the only boat here. One of the worst things that could happen to a vlogger happened to us the other day. Our drone unfortunately broke. So in this video you won't see any drone footage, but we're gonna try to capture the beauty of these little islands that we're stopping at.
Now we're stopping at a much needed lunch here at this beautiful beach. The water is so pretty here.
Look at this beach. It's so pretty. They're actually bringing a table on shore for us, and then our food's back there. Our captain is setting up lunch. Look how beautiful this is. It's looking like we have a lot of rice. He's got some Coca-Colas and waters. Is this curry? Oh my gosh.
Orthodox Christmas. So my dad and my family, we celebrate on the 25th of December, but also like kind of on January 7th. So we say Christos Rodi, which means Christ is born. Let's talk about the beach. I'm gonna say the one negative thing about the beach, and then Ian will give you all the positives. The negative is that there's a whole dump of trash back there.
Probably one of my favorite stops on this entire tour is eating lunch on the beaches like this, surrounded by limestone cliffs and beautiful water. Now we are headed to an emerald cave. It's a famous destination here where we actually swim through a cave system into a lagoon. We have just arrived at Emerald Cave, and we're gonna swim 80 meters through a cave system, and then there's a big beach when you get in there. I think Carrie's gonna come.
Yeah, now that I hear there's a beach, of course I'm coming.
Get it, Anna, go. Woo! They're in.
Guys, I'm starting not to be able to see. I'm guessing you can't see this that well either. That's where we came out of. It's incredible. It's Emerald Cave. Look at how amazing it is here. This is the end of the tunnel. It's low tide right now, but right here it will fill up with water. It'll be very green, and that's why it gets the name Emerald Cave.
Okay, again. This up here. 1, 2.
Give this video a thumbs up, comment down below what you thought. We're gonna see you in the next one. Woot woot, yip yip yip, riba, 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 woot woot, riba, riba, yip, 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 yip.